Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin on Cash App. So simply in order to do this, first of all what you need to do, you have to open your Cash App. So here you can see when you open your Cash App, so simply just as you can see here the pay and request option and here the profile icon. So simply just click here, and after that what you need to do, first of all you have to open your documents and you have to complete your all details here, like you have to edit profile and add your all details here. So after that, when you completely add details here, and in order to withdraw Bitcoin from Cash App, so simply just you have to verify your account. So once your account is completely verified, so after that you will be able to withdraw Bitcoin on Cash App.